All right. Yeah, welcome guys. Good morning to everybody. Yeah, just on it. So today, just want to knock out my zones and yeah, let us dive straight into the business for today. So I've actually not posted in a while, and I had my specific reasons why I haven't. So today I want to. I guess my network is a little bit bad. Yeah, the goal is just to stay consistent here. So why I didn't post I think twice or so last week was because I did not take any trade during that time. So I didn't take any trades during that period. So I didn't record anything. I was kind of offline for a moment. So, but then, yeah. So for this, I've actually been back testing quite lately, and yeah. So I'm trying to still figure out. So on the 30-minute time frame, you can see clearly we're currently on a bullish trend. Yes. So I actually took some trades yesterday. I did not do a trade to cap on that. But then, so I just want to mark out my zone. Then I'll go down to my 5 minutes time frame. And I don't know, maybe it's my phone that is hanging or it's the network that is misbehaving. So I'll go down to the 5 minute time frame to. I don't know what's going on today. Guess I'm coming. Yeah. So I'll go down to the 5 minutes and we'll find my zone. So 30 minutes is just for 30 minute time frame and 15-minute time frame just to mark out market structure. Let's look at the 1 hour or the 4 hour time frame. We're currently bullish. So we had a very nice break of structure around this region. So market is actually currently bullish. So and one thing about top down analysis, I've not been able to talk about it here on this channel is the moment you see that maybe 2 or 3 or more time frames are actually aligning with each other, then you can actually determine your trend. So it will actually just give you clarity on where the market is going currently at that moment. So I think we're still on point. Still 15 minutes, see that same zone. Let's go to the 5 minutes. Then yeah, I think that's all about that. So we'll just wait. So we'll just wait till price gets back to that zone, and that'll be that about that. So yesterday I took a trade on gold, and that trade made me over $1,000, like over $2,000 actually, because I actually opened a lot of positions. It's something that I don't really do before. Yeah, but yesterday I don't know what even happened. Maybe I was possessed by a spirit or something. I just took a lot of positions, like around 6 to 10 positions, and actually gave me a result. So this is the result of the trade yesterday. So, and yes, that was a demand zone. That was a demand zone. So I don't even know why I took this trade. Yes, why I actually took this trade yesterday now was because this was so he had a change of character then a break of structure to the upside. So let me. So we had a BOS around this region. We had a break of structure around that region, and we had another break of structure. So I just looked for the candle that created that break of structure. That was what I actually marked out there. So and I actually took the trade. So but then it actually like does not work all the time. It's actually one of my strategies that I'm back testing here yet. So I actually just use one of this. So you can see we had a BOS. So it's clear now. We had a BOS. So I actually like just looked for the candle that actually made that break of structure, that formed that break of structure. So that's what I marked out, and I took it to the upside, and that was it. So this is like one of the strategies that I actually like I'm trying to back test, yes, but then I've not really gotten the hang of it. But I just do it once in a while, like once I'm sure that okay, market will tend to respect that zone. So for XAUSD, we are currently sitting in I think this is okay. It's looking like a supply zone. I think this is one of the supply zones I actually marked out. Yes, this is the supply zone. Good. So the supply zone I marked out. Why is this thing big? Let me on the 30-minute time frame now. You can see we maybe I should take this trade. I think I'll be taking this trade this morning. But then I want to look out for liquidity. Yes. So this is actually a solid trade. So we had a change of character around here. Change of character around here. So okay, let me. I want to refine the zone. So currently we have actually wicked. Yeah, we actually wicked that zone before, but then still going back there now. So I'm actually hoping price will respect that zone, and if it doesn't, we'll just look for other setups. Yeah, this origin, here is just a consolidation area. So we have to have a consolidation before distribution. So the manipulation is the liquidity. So we have accumulation, which is consolidation, manipulation, liquidity sweep, then distribution. That's when price goes to the intended direction it wants to go. So I think that'll be that about that. So I took a trade on, yeah, I think I took trades on gold during London section, and it didn't play out well. Then New York actually did this thing and we're out of the trade. So that'll be that. Let me set my alerts. No, I can't forget that though. So let me go down to my 5 minutes. So I actually go down to my 5 minute now is just for zone refinement here for entries. Let me set my alerts around this region. Once price is able to break below this low, should it be there? Price will break below that low. Once it breaks below that low, I would gladly take. But I will just wait patiently for London section to start before the liquidity sweep happens. So this our supply zone has been respected. So it's looking like supply on demand. So there are cases that our supply zone gets disrespected and we we later eventually turn that supply zone to turn a supply zone into a demand zone. So price might actually come back to respect that zone and move to the upside. So you can see we don't have a candle close below that zone. I'm gonna mark that out. We don't have a candle close below. It's just a week, so I'm expecting price to. And price is actually bullish, so I'm expecting price to. Um, so I took a trade yesterday on this here. So this is doing London section, and that was it. So it's 1 hour, and we're out of the. I didn't take any trade during New York session. Yeah, so I'll just wait. So the thing about forex is patience. If you be patient with your strategy, it will play out. Just wait. Don't run after the market. Let the market come to you. So I think I don't have anything I'll be doing on that. So I actually like current now. It's actually the same thing. So you can see these ones here actually like there was a candle closure below, but then market still is giving us a double top. So this region here, and this whole region here, you can see right there that market actually respected the zone that was there. Even though there was a candle close below, that's just a liquidity sweep. So you can see right here there was a liquidity sweep around here before price rallied back up. So and here too, there was a liquidity sweep around here before price rallied back up. And that's that about that. So what should I expect of price today? So I think we're currently bullish. Let me go down to a 50 minute or 30 minute time frame. So yeah, I clearly bearish. I'm expecting price to. So that's one thing about the higher time frame. So you actually look out for what price is actually doing on the higher time frame. So you can use to refine your zones. So I'm looking for price. So you're currently bearish. So I don't know. I think I just marked out this demand zone around there, thinking it was going to. It actually got respected like quite a number of times. So, but then I think I didn't take the trade. So now I actually like want to start trading like only one pair or two pairs max, which is XAUSD and Euro USD. So because that's where most of my backtesting section actually happens. So you can see this one, it was actually respected twice. It was around this region here. It got respected twice, and now price is coming back to that zone. So, but then I don't think it will hold, but I'll set my alerts in case, in case, in case. So I think that'll be that about that. So I don't want to. I won't be taking anything on JPY or yeah. I think I had a win there yesterday, a nice 2 hour or something. Yeah. So, but then I don't want to. I want to go down on the number of pairs I actually used. So, because I just want to master maybe one or two, and from there, um, yeah, I just want to master one or two currency pairs. Then I would stay consistent with it. So the end goal is consistency. So I think that'll be